As a member of this World Village, we, a group of 11th grade students from English honor class of Datong Senior High School, are aware of the serious situation of food waste around the world and in Taiwan. Therefore, we decide to make efforts and draw more people's attention to this issue. There are totally 6 parts in our #0212 project, including a brief podcast introducing the status quo, an opening short film about our main topic, street interviews and in-person visits to the stores selling expiring food, and the expiring food store map website we built. Through executing these actions, we hope to raise public awareness of the thorny issue of food waste and introduce the solution that we can easily implement in our daily life to solve this problem. Episode 1 focuses on our main topic, food waste. The concept of our short film is similar to the famous Japanese animated movie, Spirited Away, from which comparable images were adopted to raise people's awareness on the issue of food waste.
Mom, Dad? Ah!
See? If you dare to waste the treated food again, you will become a pig. In episode 2, we hope our audience can learn some background knowledge on the issue of food waste around the world and in Taiwan by watching this brief yet interesting podcast. Through the introduction of the status quo, the audience can have a clearer picture about how serious the issue is and what we are going to do next to solve the problem. According to the research made by Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations in 2020, 720 to 811 million people around the world were suffering from starvation. That number accounts for about 0.01% of the total global population. That means 1 in 10,000 people wasn't able to get sufficient amounts of food to feed their daily needs. What's worse, World Vision's latest report shows that nearly 2.4 million children die each year due to malnutrition or starvation. We did a random street interview in episode 3, along with an online questionnaire to probe into Taiwanese people's opinion on the issue of food waste and see the real food wasting situation in different Taiwanese families.
应该蛮多，但我没办法具体估计大概有多少。
几公吨吧？
没有概念。
大概200万。
200吨。
200万吨。
200万吨。
30几万吧。
According to Environmental Protection Administration's Yearbook of Environmental Protection Statistics, Taiwan has produced 529,567 tons of food waste in 2020.
In episode 4, we made in-person visits to the stores selling expiring food. Also, we built a website with a map indicating these stores and hope to publicize this solution that can be easily implemented in our daily life to solve this problem.
Because of the pandemic, few stores are willing to accept our interview. In the end, we only got to visit 2 stores. And here are the analysis of the stores' replies to our questions. The first question centered on their motivation of opening a store selling expiring food. Is it because they are also aware of the serious crisis of food waste in Taiwan as we are?
In our last episode, we concluded the entire #0212 project's core value. The messages worth spreading, the challenges we faced during the whole process, and our own reflection on this project. I would say our core value is trying to convey information to more people and hope that they can know more. It's very important that every person on this planet should know what it is happening right now. Through this plan, we try to know more about the food waste issue.